All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Advocate Devinder Singh Bhel, in a statement issued in Jammu, has urged the international community to resolve the Kashmir dispute in the light of the United Nations resolutions. He said the peace of South Asia is in danger due to the unresolved lingering dispute since 1947. Pakistan has been struggling for a peaceful and amicable solution to the Kashmir dispute, but India's stubbornness is the biggest obstacle in its settlement. An unknown vehicle hit and critically injured 3 minor students in Sopore town. The unknown vehicle hit the students identified as Salik Nabidar, Tanzila and Ayman while they were going to school in the town. The injured students were admitted to Sopore hospital. Modi-led fascist Indian regime has snatched all basic rights, including right to life, of the people of the occupied Kashmir, making it a living hell for its residents. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today asked how India can claim to be a democratic republic when it is denying Kashmiris their basic rights. The report pointed out that the 5th August 2019 illegal actions of the Modi regime have further exposed its disregard for democratic norms in the occupied territory. A Delhi court has granted bail to 8 members of the now banned prominent Muslim organization Popular Front of India after the police failed to provide their involvement in unlawful activities. They were arrested during investigation into the case related to the ban on PFI and were charged under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. India saw the highest level of religious hostilities during the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, according to think tank Pew Research Center's report. India scored 9.4 out of 10 on the Social Hostilities Index. In India, there were multiple reports of Muslims being attacked after being accused of spreading the coronavirus, it added. The report mentioned the Tablighi Jamaat event in India and following anti-Muslim campaign. Ruling Bharatiya Janata Party in Indian state of Karnataka took a U-turn after its decision to build 10 new colleges exclusively for Muslim girls. Hindu organizations had warned statewide protests and challenged the government that they would not allow the colleges to be built. Earlier, the news appeared in media that the ruling government is planning to build 10 new colleges exclusively for Muslim girls, sparking a huge controversy in Karnataka.